Today we're replacing the wiper blades on our 2003 Ford Expedition, and the old ones were really worn down. They were streaking, chattering, and struggling to clear the windshield. We picked up this 2-pack of 20-inch blades to get things back to normal. Right out of the box, the blades made a good first impression. The packaging is clean, organized, and each blade comes with a protective sleeve over the rubber. For a budget-friendly set, that extra touch was nice to see. Our Expedition uses the classic J-hook arm, and the instructions on the back made it easy to figure out the right setup. Everything you need is included, and the adapters are already in place, so there's no guesswork involved. The actual swap only takes a few minutes. The old blade slid off without much effort, and the new ones clicked right in. It's one of those quick DIY tasks that doesn't require any tools and immediately makes a big difference. Once installed, we gave them a good test with the windshield washer fluid. They moved smoothly across the glass with no chatter, no skipping, and no streaks. It definitely makes you appreciate how much quality wipers improve overall visibility. What stands out the most for us is the overall value. The craftsmanship looks solid, the rubber feels like good quality, and the protective sleeves shows they put some thought into it. For the price, the performance was better than expected. If you're looking for a set of wipers that install easily and perform the way they should, these are a solid option. They feel well made for the price and delivered a smooth, clean wipe in our tests. So if you're considering a simple upgrade that just works, definitely give this product some consideration.